Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make some almond joy candy. So the ingredients we'll be needing is condensed milk, some chocolate chip, coconut flakes, and almonds. Dark chocolate, I'm just gonna make different kinds, and espresso, just different kinds of Almond Joy chocolate. So I don't know, it's maybe like chocolate chip, just plain, and then espresso and dark chocolate and dark chocolate itself, or maybe dark chocolate and espresso. Let's give it a try. Okay, so first we're gonna be opening this condensed milk. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 bag of coconut flakes. I don't know why I always have bad lighting in my videos. So this is a 14 ounce, so it's like it's 1 cup and 0.72 of cups. Hope it will fit. Okay. That's a lot. Coconut flakes. I think this should be good. And then I'll probably just get it at a half of condensed milk in here. So let me clean this up. That should be a half. Yes. Let's get that a little bit more. Okay. Now we're just gonna mix it. Next one, just equally flatten out by like 1 inch. We're just gonna add some almonds. That should stop melting.